The opposition Citizen Coalition for Change CCC party says it will launch an anti-constitution amendment campaign following revelations that ZANU-PF is pushing to scrap presidential term limits. Sanapinda mashuka budanyo kopana panoti bo subscribe or like what's on the bell icon. Tipinda mnaomwe kwa mchinzi. Last weekend, ZANU-PF province held meetings to come up with the resolutions for national conference, which is slated for Bulawayo in October this year. One of the key resolutions targeted at the conference is pushing for the amendment of the country's constitution to allow President Yoomesera Mnangagwa to rule beyond 2028. Speaking to the Newsday yesterday, CCC spokesperson Pabooster TV said the opposition was set to start awareness campaigns to thwart the move. We are totally opposed to the amendment of the constitution. It is undemocratic and against the spirit of constitutionalism. In any event, an amendment to the constitution will require a referendum, and the citizens are ready to embarrass them, he said. We will be launching a campaign against term extensions, one political and electoral reforms instead of these self-interested amendments, which we believe even people in ZANU-PF are totally opposed to. Thomas Warubuda panapa chionot ayo Common Citizen Coalition for Change but to hold the campaigns achastopa this amendment to the constitution wachit Iowa. This is not constitutionalism. This is going against the will of the people. This is totally unacceptable because it's no leader to the violations yemutemo atona kuti Iowa zvanenge vachita zvinenge zvisiri fair. Noda kuti Iowa zvinhu zvinenge zvakagarawo pasi zvakawirirana pasi vakasenerana and then mumwe aida kuchinja. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudiwa musoro mashuka opina comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.